So we're front facing. This is a mirrored image now, so nobody complain about, oh, you're on the wrong side of the screen, like always. I'm surprised more people don't know about technology. People ask me, why are you driving on the wrong side of the road? You're in America. Maybe I imported a right-hand drive car. Because I'm in selfie mode. So the Subaru air filter came in, a little disappointed. Box had a big slam in the side of it, and this was delivered from Amazon. Everybody says find one from Amazon. Well, I did, and big old dent in the bottom of the filter, and it does have the plastic seal like you guys said with the lubricated ring, just like you guys had stated. So it'll be interesting to open this. Some other stuff just came in as well. I don't even know what this is. Terrible packaging, as always. It looks like complete trash. It looks like the package was opened and then they just took a bunch of stickers and stuck on it to reclose it again. So after I get my fix of ordering all this stuff, I probably will not, I don't know. Oh, I think somebody ordered this for me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure somebody ordered this for me. They ordered me a drain plug for my car, a Fumoto. They wanted me to give it a try, give it a review. I appreciate that, thank you. Sorry about your packaging. Looks like it was all banged to hell up, but luckily comes in, luckily it was all durable stuff. So I appreciate that. I didn't order this, somebody sent this to me. I remember somebody a while back saying something about, have you ever used one of those Fumoto drain valves in your car? It's like phenomenal. No, I don't even know what that is. Well, when I found out, somebody said, well, send me what car and stuff you have and I'll send you one. I remember that now. Well, it showed up. Thank you, I appreciate that. I'm excited to use that. What else do we have in here? Oh, okay. Somebody suggested that I grab one of these as well. It's a motive tool. And they were saying it's pretty heavy duty. And it's got the spring-loaded deal here. And I guess for the filters that won't come off, this thing, you can open it up to fit it around, and as you go to turn it, it's got teeth on the outside, and it will actually bite into it. And the guy that was telling me about this, he said, I've never had one where I haven't been able to pull off of this thing. Every single time, no matter how tight it is, the motive tool spin it right off. So I got one. What else we got here? And this is all stuff from Amazon, opened up already, not closed. So I don't know. Plastic busted off of the top of it, not even attached anymore. And let's see here. So I was asked to get a Subaru filter or a Subaru filter made in the USA, and also a Subaru filter made in Japan. And that people wanted a comparison of these. So we're gonna do that. I was also asked to get a Mahle and open up a Mahle. And honestly, at first glance, it looks like it has standard pleating inside. Bypass valve is just a little bit different, not very much. If I wasn't paying attention and I took this right out and I put this on my car, you can see there's a little bit of junk right there. It would have been inside that filter. Looks like it's got really nice threads to it so far from what I see. It's got a deep thread contact area. The Subaru one does too, and they're really defined. I mean, I guess it looks like it's a little bit thinner than the Japan Subaru one. Looks like it's got a thinner thread area, and it doesn't look like the threads are like as beefy. Yeah, I mean, if I can say that, it doesn't seem like they're as durable. The threads here are really cut nice. They're very, very defined. They're very sharp. Look very, very thick. These here are just, they don't look, as defined. They look thinner. They don't look as durable. Hi, Joe. Fleet guard. You guys asked me to get a fleet guard diesel filter, so I did. Now this looks like one that would be for a Mopar, I think, because it doesn't have the anti-drainback valve, and you know how the guys were saying the Mopars don't have the anti-drainback valve in the filters. It's actually built up into the filter housing or the actual pump itself, and all it does is have a spring down in here. So that'll be interesting. Anyway, we've got some content now. I'm on my lunch break right now. I took it really late because I wanted to get that rotten diesel fuel tank and everything all ground down and replaced and test drove. So all this stuff came in, and I figured I'd take my lunch break just to kind of go over this stuff. And yeah, that's where we're at. That was my unboxing of the Amazon stuff. And as you can see, not very surprised that there's stuff damaged. Anyway, on to the next video.